Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can restore the default inbox layout in Proton Mail. This is useful if you've changed layouts and want the original organization back. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course sign into your Proton Mail account, and once you're here, you will just have to go to this your icon right here, and what you will have to do is select layout, which is right here, and you could either choose column or row. It really depends on you. But if you want much deeper than that, then go ahead and click all settings, and you will just have to wait for it to load. And once you're here, you should see the layout section if it is available for you, that is. So if you do see the layout section here, you should just click that, and then what you will have to do is find the inbox layout options, and then you will select restore default layout. So it should be somewhere right here. So you just gotta explore it on your own because it really depends on the version or the website that you are using or the plan. So yeah, that's basically how you can do it. But you could also do the thing that I did earlier, which is this. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.